Today I'm finna rebuild my wardrobe with only $100.
Nigga, what?
I'm probably thinking like, how you finna rebuild your wardrobe with only $100? Man, you pay attention and watch the video all the way through, you will see, and you will learn how to rebuild your wardrobe too, you feel me? But the first place we finna head to is the thrift store. Y'all already know I gotta go there because they got clothes for cheap.
Well, duh.
So it's gonna be easier for me to do this challenge, you feel me? So let's go ahead and head there. Alright y'all, so I done made it to the first store I'm going to be trying to do this challenge with. I only spent $100 and I ain't gonna lie, like it's so packed here, bro. We gonna see if we can make this possible. Alright y'all, so I can always get the pants and I can just stretch the pants too. I can make the pants however I want to make the pants too. What the heck? They cool or not, but I can't really see myself wearing them. Look at some shirts, see what I can find shirt wise. I seen 2 pair of pants. That was like $6. They got like this US Army shirt. Kind of cool. How much is it? It's $3.25. Alright y'all, so we spent $10 at that place. Now we finna go to another place. I'm gonna go check that one out. That one be having like better clothes and stuff, but these was the only 2 things that I seen that like really stood out to me. So we're gonna go with these 2. So yeah, let's go to the other place. Alright y'all, so while I was driving, I was sitting here thinking like, to rebuild a wardrobe, I technically have to have like 3 pair of pants and 3 shirts. So I have to find me 2 more pair of pants and 2 more shirts. And I have to have me a jacket. So I gotta get me a jacket, 2 more pair of pants, 2 shirts to technically rebuild my wardrobe. So it's kind of harder than what I think it is, cause I feel like I'm gonna spend over my budget. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like $100 kind of hard. But I'm going to this other store. It's like a vintage store, I think. So we gonna see what they got, you feel me? Hopefully they got some player stuff, you feel me? Alright y'all, so I have made it to the other store. This store looked like, I don't know. We gonna see. Hello. I was just looking. Clothing?
Clothing for men?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know what we have back there. I don't know those 3 colors. We have some in the very back. I'll show you. Come on, let's just show you where the clothes are in the back.
It's my first time here. I'm doing a video.
Uh-huh.
And I'm on a budget. I only can spend $100, so I have to rebuild my wardrobe with $100.
So. Well, I don't know how much that's gonna help. There are a bunch of secondhand clothes, okay?
Yeah.
And you're welcome to look right through that opening to the right.
All right, thank you.
There's a big rack.
All right, thank you. All right, y'all. Great customer service. Love it. Is this what she's talking about? I think all clothes $1. We can find this shirt for $1. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think. We're gonna go with this shirt. It's only $1, so why not? This challenge is actually harder than what I think. Like, to find tough piece of clothes, it's hard. Found something.
Oh, good. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's $1.
Can't beat it.
That, can you?
Can't beat it.
Sweetheart, see if you can find you a Jesus you are.
You have a good day.
You too.
All right.
At least the weather's good for all this walking around.
Oh yes. All right, y'all. So we have got another piece of clothing. I feel like I could do something fire with this shirt, so I got it. But we finna go to Walmart, and I feel like I can find me a 5-piece of clothing, a graphic tee, and 2 pair of pants, and a jacket. I feel like I could finish it at Walmart. So we finna go to Walmart. Let's go to Walmart.
Me and my guy been like this, but he broke the chain. Back then was in singing your praises. I thought they think I was lame.
We have made it to Walmart, and now we finna try to finish this outfit challenge. This challenge. I feel like I could finish it. I feel like I could find me a pair of shorts or a pair of pants. I feel like I could find the rest of my wardrobe here. So we finna go ahead and get in here, see what I can find. And yeah, so let's do it. So y'all, I'm in here, right? I'm looking for stuff. Whole time I'm looking in my pocket, I ain't got my credit card. And Walmart don't take Apple Pay. Y'all need to upgrade y'all system, you feel? But we can't do nothing at Walmart. So let's go to another store and see what we can find. So let's do it. Alright y'all, so we have made it to TJ Maxx. Now I'm finna see I complete this challenge. And I'm gonna show y'all like you can really get fly on a budget. You don't have to have all the money in the world. You ain't gotta have the best of the brands, you feel me? If y'all don't learn nothing else from me, y'all gonna learn how to stay fly and get fly on a budget. Yo, I'm finna see what TJ Maxx got. If TJ Maxx doesn't have anything, then we're gonna see what Old Navy do. Alright, y'all, so we finna see what TJ Maxx got. Okay, y'all, so I see these so I see these boot I can't talk. So I see these boot cut jeans. They like $20. So I don't know where we at with the budget, but we might end up getting these. Alright, so we're gonna go with these $20. I don't know where we at with the budget. Whatever it say on the screen, that's where we at with the budget. But I gotta find a jacket. So we're gonna go to Old Navy, see if we can find a jacket at Old Navy. I don't see nothing here. So let's do that. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to Old Navy and we looking for a jacket because I gotta find a jacket now. That's the last thing of this challenge, this wardrobe, find a jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to Old Navy. We just spent $22 at TJ Maxx. We got one pair of pants. I'm finna go put this in a car. Then we finna go to Old Navy. I don't know why I put myself through this. Like if I had an unlimited budget, I would go crazy. But $100, staying under 100 and like finding pieces that I like, that's the hard part about this. This nigga parked right beside me out of all the places he could have parked. Like, my nigga, what's up, bro? Son, you gotta tell me something, bro. Like, what's up, bro? Alright, y'all, so we made it to Old Navy. And of course, they got music playing, my nigga. They always got music playing. But we gotta find a jacket and a pair of pants. Oh, this jacket kinda look tough. See, y'all be tripping. Look, this like cold hard material, my nigga. Y'all tripping. How much is it? I do not know. Okay, we gotta leave it there, my nigga. It's not in the budget. As soon as I find something I really like, it's not in the budget. I should've came to Old Navy first. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I get that jacket, that's the last thing I'll be able to get. Cause I think I'm at $80 right now. I don't know what I'm at. I don't remember. It's on the screen. Hey, if I'm at $80 and that's the last thing I can get, we finna get it, my nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you. I do see a plain black zipper though. I got a plain black zipper. I think we finna just go with that. But I do want this though. Like, I feel like I could pop out OD tripping with this. We gotta leave it alone. It's gonna kill all the money. I'm gonna go with this black jacket, and that's gonna be pretty much it for this. I'm gonna get back with y'all after I find my size, and I'm showing y'all my pieces. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I don't know what we ended off with. I don't know what was the final total that I spent. All is on the screen, so I lost count after I left Walmart. Nobody seen that, my nigga. I'm finna go show y'all all the pieces that I got. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the house and I'm showing y'all my pieces. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, so from TJ Maxx, I got these like boot cut denim pants. They pretty cool, solid, you know. Something I would definitely wear. I had to make sure I got clothes I would wear. I just didn't get clothes just cause they was cheap now. Like I actually made sure it's clothes I was gonna wear. I got these like washed up. I don't know what kind of jeans these is, but they cargos, but I don't know like what to really call them. But I got these. These was a steal, you know. I don't really see. I see myself wearing them, but I don't see myself wearing them all the time. Like it's just something like I want to pop up on some crazy type stuff. I just pop these out. You feel me? Okay, I know y'all remember this army shirt. I know y'all remember this. I feel like I can like really do some crazy stuff with it. You feel me? Like I got me this plain black Old Navy jacket. I feel like I just needed one. I ain't gonna lie, I needed one in my inventory. I just need a plain black simple jacket. I needed it in my inventory. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But this was like the most expensive thing that I got. This was like $35, I think. $35 or $40. So yeah, I feel like I rebuilt my wardrobe with $100. I feel like if I could do it, you can do it, my nigga. But if y'all want more of these and y'all want a series out of these, y'all let me know in the comments. But y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and comment W if you watch the video all the way through. I'm out.